One of the best things about working with Intel is the embrace of open source software as a fundamental component to all of the work that's going on. And that's really, really compatible with all the things that are happening in the computer industry in general. It really shows that Intel gets it.
So when Intel asked me to do a live coding session, this was the perfect time to see if I could bang out a game really quickly. And it allows me to test all the technology that I have and see if I can make something that quick.
This is the face control of the wheelchair, that you can use facial expressions to control the wheelchair without sensors on your body. This was our main motivation, especially for people who cannot control the joystick, but the people cannot control, using facial expressions, but eye track moving, head movement, and speech recognition. So those are the features we are building using the Intel RealSense technology.
When the game starts, you reach in, move the sand. We're using sand from a sandbox with cutting-edge technology with the Intel RealSense. We're excited to be here and develop this game, and we're looking at several different use cases, and we're pretty stoked because this technology is amazing.
I'm doing 2 different demos using Intel RealSense for a smarter car. First one being anti-snoozer. It's detecting whether the driver is drowsy and in turn warns them to wake them up. The other one is a smarter bumper sticker. So when other people are tailgating you, you would show off different type of bumper stickers to throw them off.
Hello, so this is Shape Song. It's an interactive music experience in room scale VR where you can build music with you and other people. Making a game in VR has actually been a lot different from building a game outside of VR. We've actually found we want to be inside VR while building it, so making little changes, moving things around, actually creating things while the headset's on.
We connect anything to everything, meaning that it's system APIs, microcontrollers, smart devices, and wearables to build very easy automations for home, office, and industrial IoT technologies.
We decided to use Intel RealSense long-range cameras so we can scan the tall objects, we can scan humans, and the resolution is enough for our business needs.
It's using the Intel RealSense RGB and depth stream to compute an image for people with limited vision or visual impairment so that they can get a better sense of their surrounding environment.
This is Rover, an interactive, gesture-controlled autonomous mobile robot. It's using cheap off-the-shelf components, such as a laptop that everybody has, in this case an Intel Ultrabook, for computer vision, for path planning, for perception of its environment. And then with gestures, I can influence its mood. I can turn it into a sad robot, showing a thumbs down gesture, or I can turn it into a happy robot like that.
Innovation goes hand in hand with the maker community, in my opinion. It's just running headlong at a problem and seeing what solution you can think of, whether you've completely thought it out or not, and taking that as a potential idea. There's a quote hanging up in one of my classrooms that says, innovation is seeing what others have seen and thinking what no one else has.